Thinking about a website redesign? Don't even think about a new logo until you know these three numbers from your old site.
A website redesign feels like a fresh start, a chance to finally get it right. But too often, businesses spend a fortune on a beautiful new site that performs just as poorly as the old one.
The secret to a successful redesign isn't just better aesthetics, it's better data. Your current website, flaws and all, is giving you a roadmap for what to fix, if you know where to look. First, look at the bounce rate for your most important pages. This metric tells you what percentage of visitors land on a page and leave immediately without clicking anything else. If your services or contact page has a high bounce rate, it's a major red flag. It means your core message is missing the mark, causing potential clients to simply walk away. Second, analyze your top exit pages. These are the last pages people see before they abandon your site entirely, showing you exactly where their journey with you ended.
Is everyone leaving from your case results page or your nonprofit's team bios? That tells us there's a critical information gap or a lack of trust that a simple color change won't solve. And third, map out your key user flows. This is the path visitors take to complete a specific goal, like scheduling a consultation or making a donation.
Seeing where users drop off in that process is like finding the exact leaky pipe in your sales funnel. Fixing that specific journey is far more effective than just redecorating the whole house. Together, these three metrics, bounce rate, exit pages, and user flow, transform your redesign from a guessing game into a strategic investment. They provide a clear blueprint to build a new site that directly solves the old one's problems.
At Webmaster and more, this data-driven diagnosis is our starting point for every Los Angeles business we partner with. We use senior developer expertise to build sites that are not just visually impressive, but engineered to convert.
Your new website should be your hardest working employee, not just a digital brochure. Let's uncover the data that will make it a guaranteed success. Book a free website teardown today.